So in this Google Docs video, I'm going to show you how to edit text color on the Google Docs mobile application. So first and foremost, go into your doc, add some text here. So if I wanted to type in text color, as you can tell, it's defaulted to black. If you wanted to change the entire thing, double tap what you want to change. This middle bar that opens up, select the A with the underline. Then go ahead and change your color this way. So let's say you wanted to do a shade of blue. You can also go ahead and change the shade this way. That's the simplest way. If I were to go ahead and do this again right here, so I'll go ahead and press text color right here. I'll do text color like this. If you wanted to change it another way, let's say you only wanted to change one part of it, double tap. This right bar as well, on the far right side, there's the A with the underline. You can select that. Then you can scroll down to where it says text color, and you can change it this way. Do what you got to do, and it works the exact same way. So that is how you guys can edit text color on the Google Docs mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.